Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make pie chart in Excel. Okay, so this video will be short, and that's why before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So I'm going to show you the main features in how to make the chart, pie chart in Excel. So let's start with the video. So here you can see I have the sample data here like month wise sale. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart in Excel. So there is a many pie graphs in Excel available. If you have updated Excel, then there you may have the many graphs, pie graphs in Excel. So there you can change the size, color in pie chart. So let's start with the video how you can do that. So this is my demo data, and I'm selecting the certain data to create pie chart. So just click on by left side of button of mouse and just hold and select the data of months which I want to insert my pie chart. So I just selected, and now you want to go to insert and find the pie. In chart option you can see the pie. Just click on down arrow and click on the 3D or 2D pie. Okay, so this is how you can see. Okay, so here you can see if you come out by default, so just click on double click on your chart, then all options will become appear above. So here you can see you can change the format in chart layout like percentage wise. If I select these, you can see the percentage wise sale I have this appear. You can change the name your pie chart, you can change name. So from here, so just sales of just change the pie chart name. Okay, if I double click here again, so all option will come. I can change the chart style also. From here there are many chart option here. If you have updated Excel, you can get the color option also in above. Chart series, chart type. Okay, if you right select on this. Okay, if you click on chart, sorry, pie chart, on click right, click right, and use will show, you will see the this option like change the series and chart type. So here you can see many chart type, columns and all. So you can apply. Okay, so if I use there is a many pie chart, you can see this is, if I select this and okay, so you can see the, it is different type of pie graphs you can see. Okay, so here if you if this is I selected data for the pie chart. If I change the numbers from here, so it will be automatically changed from chart. Okay, you can see. So that is how you can create or make pie chart or pie graph in Excel. And that is how you can change the color in change the color of pie graph in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.